Oh, that's what it looks like in the picker hut after the biggest snowstorm of the year, ladies and gents. Some windshield wipe action.
Thanks, sir. Give me a buzz, thank you.
I want no cheeseburgers, man. Shit. Alright, we're headed back to Pickerville. We're gonna go this route though, because this street didn't look very friggin' plowed today. Let's check her. Look at the roads in the Pickerhead, folks. Quite redonkulous. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. Roads in the Pickerhead. Don't try that in your friggin' Ford Fiesta. Alright, here we go. We get stuck, I guess. I doubt we're going to. You never know, you might hit a snowdrift and be like, done. Hit a snowdrift, you're done for the day. I bet you don't even see this in the Rally America videos, folks. What? Rally America's videos don't even have snow like this. They call it snowdrift, but they're racing on plowed roads. What? This is snowdrift. The real snowdrift. Welcome to Alpena Snowdrift 2019, ladies and gentlemen. You're driving along with the fastest rally driver in America, John the friggin' Picker. Alright, we're gonna cut her to the left. Perfect for me today. Holy shit, man. Can't believe we just did that. Alright, we are heading on the second part of our journey, ladies and gentlemen, of Alpena, Michigan, around the world on YouTube. What? What? Jeep. They like to suckle. Suckle, suckle. Holy shit, man. Suckle fest. Jeep bros. Alright, we cocked off to the side a little bit. We were pointing at McDonald's for a minute. I could not see what the heck is going on here today. Something's got to give. That looks like a pretty good view, if you ask me. I'm going to turn around here somewhere. Probably pop down this side street up here to the right. Hopefully we don't get stuck, because if we do, that's not going to be good for productions, obviously, folks. We'll turn right here at the old big boys. See what kind of action we can see down here. Skirt! No getting down that alley. I got this road pretty cleared. plows are working pretty good today. Look at this street. Lots of friggin' action. Everybody's doing the friggin' work today, folks. Look at them. Holy shit. People shoveling. Snow just is shooting. Snow shooting all the way across the street on this road. That's cool. Multiple snowblowers going today. Holy shit, man. The snowblowers he's got like wraps around and shit. He's got a sled out, sledding. Winter Wonderland in the picker hood. He's throwing out some furnace filters. Just the snow blowing it up. They don't clean their sidewalks off, the guy will start walking around finding people. Won't be cutting through the red light there, my man. Stop sign there. Holy shit, man. Snow blowing action in the figurehead. That was pretty cool. Everybody on that block was snow blowing, shit, shoveling. Stop here. Next everybody's coming. Stop signs for dynamics. They don't play around. Picked up a 15,000 pound dumpster, the Ford truck. I didn't think he was going to be able to do it. Thought he was going to pop the tires and shit. Good friggin' railroad tracks. Train plowed through there, eh? Holy shit. Train plowed through the old railroad tracks. Courthouse, that place seems like it never closes. They always got some business going on at the old courthouse. Somebody's always in there. Go down this road. Not too bad out today. It ain't extremely cold. Ooh, almost a friggin' accident there. So that's how close something could happen. Accident or something. You see sitting at the stoplight and get rear-ended or some shit. Never know. Here we go, part 2. Let's see what we can see this time. Very rarely have I seen the town like this. This is the most snow we've gotten in years. We'll probably get hit with a few more storms. It'll look really... Oh no. That's not good. Sneezing in the middle of productions. It's not good. Yep, we don't usually get big snowstorms like this. Stuck in our spot. No. check this out. You're not gonna laugh. If it is what I think I saw, you guys are probably gonna laugh. I mean, it ain't very funny for whoever shit it is, but look at state of Michigan car. Buried in the friggin' snow. Let me get a picture of that. February 28th, let's check the weather in the picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit. We got a full-scale blizzard going on. What? We're supposed to get all kinds of freaking snow today. They canceled schools and shit.
Hey, shut the damn door! Go!
Limited visibility. I gotta get back in, it's freaking cold. Holy shit, man. January 28th weather report, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting a big ass storm in the picker hood, as you can tell. It's a friggin' blizzard out. What? Look at the friggin' neighbors. Got tractors and shit. Big ass winter storm coming through the picker hood. They canceled school and everything else. Look at all the snow we're getting. Holy shit, man. When I started, we didn't have any, and now look at it. Friggin' winter wonderland. What? Got a few inches already. A few inches of friggin' snow. Oh, there goes the plow. Every time I come out, the plow's going by. He's working double time today. He is working double time today. What? We're gonna have to go drive around in this shit. Wonder how much snow we're gonna get today. I didn't even have to shovel last time. You can come do that to my driveway, shit. Yep, come back in with you when this gets settled down a little bit. No sense of freezing your ass off, boys. What? The icicles. Icicles, who's this? Holy shit. Kinds of people in the picker hood today. It's freaking white out there right now. Hard time seeing that shit if you were driving. What? Let me see across the freaking street. People are gonna be getting stuck in this shit. I can see it already. People are gonna be getting stuck. Probably ain't gonna be no school tomorrow either. They were smart and canceled it early this year. They make them drive in the winter storm and shit. They could have probably got a half a day in. Holy shit, man. What? Are you guys ready to go see this shit? Huh? Who's first out the door? Go, Scrap. They're waiting for you to move, buddy. He just stops right there and pisses. He ain't going any further, folks. You don't want to see what's going on out here today. What? Look at the freaking snow drifts and shit. Holy shit. This is crazy. Friggin' trampoline's buried. Look at how fucking deep the snow is. We got almost all this snow last night. I had me a nice path shovel here. We had a path shovel there, didn't we, Cooper? Show him who's the snow dog girl. Hey, go, Coop, go, go. Oh, that's deep right there. This dog loves snow. Oh, Scrappy's making her out. Dahlia, come on. Come on. There's the new little shit running around. Dog sitting, folks. Freaking dog sitting. What? We're gonna make a freaking snow hill out of the scrap pile. Gonna make a snow hill out of the scrap pile. Cooper, you done shitting? Are you done? She's leaving her roost. Go, girl. Holy shit. Go, go, go. Drop. That's the fire pit. That's the fire pit right there, girl. When she got right over here, she like dipped down under the snow. Do a dip. Get up on the trampoline, go. Get up there. Get up there. Jump. Jump, jump. This is unbelievable. We gotta go check the town out and see what's going on around there. Oh, you bit me. You got me. She just wants to play in the snow. This is awesome. Get him, Cooper. Get her, Cooper. She wants to play. Let's play. Let's play. Get her, Coop. Get her, Coop. Get her, Coop. She's got a pretty good sweater on. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. This is what she looks like after the big storm 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the freaking drifts and shit. Oh, we got a dodge. He's giving her. Freaking giving her. Kick her sideways, bud.
Not even a drop of snow on it.
Look at how deep the snow drift is by the car. Holy shit, man. I got more freaking snow to shovel. This is getting outrageous. Whoever ordered all this freaking snow, you're out of your damn minds. Guy down the street, Bedrock, plows this freaking road out for us. So all I need to do is make it right up to there. What? He's already got the rest of the freaking road plowed. That's awesome. Yep, I gotta shovel this beast. Get all the freaking snow, ladies and gentlemen. Drifted and shit. It was blowing big times. Across the street, then turn into a giant ass snow hill. Yep. January snowstorm. Holy shit, man. Look at the drifts. It's drifty. We might have a snowdrift video and we didn't even have to go to snowdrift. We're gonna label it drifts. Look at them. Okay. It drifted up on my window seal. Look at the tree. It's got 20 pounds of friggin' snow on it. Unbelievable. I gotta get this shit shoveled. What? Looks like we got a flat or some shit. That's just the way the car is sitting. It's a big ass little drift we got going on there. Holy shit. Who wants to come shovel the snow for me, boys? We need a snow shoveler. Big time snow shoveler in the Pickerhead. Check the friggin' side streets in my neighborhood, ladies and gentlemen. What? Get your friggin' vehicles off the road. It's getting bullshit. Holy shit. That's nuts. I got lucky on that one. Look at them guys plowing snow and shit. Shoveling. Good job, boys. What? It's like a friggin' racetrack. That's awesome. I am not going there. Skirt! We're not going that route, folks. I had a hard enough time just getting off that street. Holy shit, man. I want to find some people that are stuck. I know somebody's got to be stuck today. That was hard enough. Whew, that shit was deep. I thought I was gonna get stuck at that one corner. Thought we was gonna get stuck. This is more my style. I don't like driving through the deep shit. Every side street's deep. The main streets are clear. I like the side street driving though. Makes the videos better. Makes the videos better when you're going through 3 feet of snow. Oh, look at the pollution solutions. The solution is the pollution. Big clouds of smoke coming out the building up there. Let's see, in about 2.2 seconds. Just shooting smoke out. What? Pumping hard today. Double burner in it. Maybe next time you should do your car off, lady. There's some behind me. You can barely see what the freak is doing. Left units. I'm gonna close the old movie theater down. Oh yeah, downtown Alpena, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Craziness. Pure craziness. Anybody that moves here is crazy. Obviously. Look at where you're living. Friggin' snowbank. We're living in a snowbank, ladies and gentlemen. You ever heard of Frozen? This is it. This is Frozen, ladies and gentlemen. Look, there's snow blowing on one side, shoveling on the other. Shoveling, snow blowing, shoveling, snow blowing. Get your shovel, bro. Big time shovel action. Oh, she's stuck. Told you. Go help. I gotta go help, boys. Gots to help. Yeah. We're gonna go help this lady push her freaking car out if she's still stuck. She's right there giving her. To go help this lady push her car out today. What? Set the camera right here so we get the action. Well, so far I've seen one car buried. It was a government car, state of Michigan car. Buried in the friggin' snow. Here, we don't want to be stuck. Alright, we're continuing our journey. Seen one car buried today, look at it. State of Michigan car. Government cars buried today. Journey today of Alpena, Michigan, folks. snowbank with us today. Frozen and shit. Catching the action. Let's go down here and see what we can see. Stop right here. Skirt. Wait for this Jeep to go. What's up with all the Jeeps today? Jeep, 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 Jeep. Look at the friggin' winter action. Snow drifts on top of that joint. Looks like I'm zoomed in all the time on that. Scared. There's your money setting. What? Wonder why our bills are so high, boys. Thought he had a good hiding spot till Picker showed up. Spectrum. No internet down here. Shit. Tanner. Old Tanner Danner. Being a shipwrecks tour boat. Shaw. Skirt, 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 skirt. You fine folks probably don't want to come down here. A little bit snowy down there. Save lots. You save a lot. Shopping at Save a Lot. Skirt down this way. Today. Skirt this way today. Today. See some more people buried. Over there in the corner, Pokemon hunting. Pokemon hunter. Don't give her too much juice, bro. I know you're a wildcat and all, but oh, I'm something else. Meow. Come on now. Grandmoms. Chooch. That guy, he's a professional. All professional and shit. I need to go on a big business meeting, staying at the Holiday Inn Express. Oh fuck. You can't take a picture of me because that might be against my company. Shots. Look at that rig. Snow blowing in style. Rich folks pad. What? A little snow blowing action. Alright, they're getting most of these side streets cleaned right out today. Are we going to be able to find one to race down? It's looking a little iffy, yo. There's a couple. We'll go right down the street and see where we can end up. This guy's looking at me like, what the fuck are you thinking, dude? Look at that guy. Bust it down this way, that way we don't go head on with that car. He looked like he was having a bit of trouble. They made it though. They freaking made her, boys. Freaking made her. They did her. Let the cock down on these other streets. Look at the roads in my hood. Freaking roads. I think we'll be going down this route. Check this street out. Check this freaking road out. Gonna let me go, eh? Alright, buddy. Good business. Thank you. Good deal. Good deal. Man, so we're gonna do no shots. I'm gonna crank her down this route, and then I'm gonna crank her down one of these side streets and just hammer it. That's what I was working on before. Let's check the driving scenario in the picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. Negotiating on what street to go down. What street looks the worst here? Let's go down this one. Oh, that one looks alright. Oh, she's plowed right out today. Don't want to get on the side of this road, that's for sure. Wow, it's right there. Let's get behind it. That's how it is driving behind a plow, folks. Can't see shit. You guys just plowed out your driveway? Have fun plowing it again, motherfuckers. Woo! Yeah. That's awesome. Holy shit. It's craziness. Pure craziness. Yep, there goes the friggin' plow. side streets, because, yeah. I'm gonna get stuck. Holy shit, bud. How would you want to do that for? Nice chunk. Get over any. Make me do it in my car. Yeah. Alright, we're done with our snow tour of 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Recorded quite a bit. Everybody's snow blowing today. Every street there's somebody snow blowing snow. Whoever invented the snow blower, genius. Freaking genius. Made millions. Gazillions. Alright, we're out. John Picker, YouTube TV. Subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Snowstorm 2019. Let's check the action out in the Pickerhead. What? What we got here? Walking in the middle of the street, lady. Too cute to be doing that. What? Parks her car all the way over here. Chat. Yep, we just got a big ass snowstorm last night. We're gonna go check the friggin' town out. It's gas today, $2.06. $2.06 a gallon. Still ain't went below $2. Greedy sons of bitches. Give us a deal. We want them deals, damn it. Nobody wants to pay full price for gas. Holy shit, man. Oh, there's the state police. Shit. Auto lights off. What's he doing? Making the ladies shuffle. Just sitting there. Skirt. We're always stopped at this friggin' light. I hate this light. Surprised they got the roads clean so quick. It's unbelievable. How much snow as we got? Shitload. Chrysler. Badass car, whatever it was. Badass car by reps. Green us. Oh shit, there's another cop. There's another one, boys. Friggin' another one. I worry about him. I like staring him down. I think that's funny. I think it's funny when you stare at them. Because they're staring at you already, so you might as well stare right back at them. They think, usually people don't look at me, they try to look away. This dude's looking right at me. It's kind of funny. Oh shit, that wasn't supposed to happen. I like them new GMCs. Sweet. Snow right there. left-hand side of the street. All the action. Big ass Ford. Nice. Yep, I like sitting in my car and recording the icy roads. Look at them. Pure snow. I live in a nice box, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Friggin' freezer. That's what my town is. Sounds like a friggin' freezer. They're over there dusting cars off and shit. Turn that friggin' heat down. It's heating my camcorder up. Sounds a bitch. Somebody slide into the back of you at the stoplight. Scott. Badass trucks. I need to get me one of those. That one right there. Scared. Yep, we're gonna go straight down Washington here. See what we can see. See what kind of action. Looks like they got their garbages out. Freaking garbage. Maybe we'll find some shit in the garbage. Never know. Side roads ain't very plowed. We'll have to check one of those out. I'll do like a little circle around or some shit. You can see the snow's coming right out of that one. We're down there plowing the freaking roads and shit. We're gonna go around the block. We gotta check this out. Let's go down here and check out the snow. Hopefully we don't get stuck today. Holy shit. Oh, this is crazy. Look at it. Like somebody's stuck up there. What? You just gotta keep giving her, you can't stop. Don't fucking step out in front of me, bub. Please don't. Holy shit. This is the craziest. Oh, they ain't stuck.